Here in the kitchen is where I think the client was really able to achieve that elegant look they were going for. By using white cabinets, but with a gray glaze, which plays off very nicely with the honed black Nero granite countertop and the gray backsplash. I think that all ties in really good. The cabinets wrap around, even right around the edge here, out into the foyer, which is a very nice touch. And here we've got this massive island. This island is really multifunctional. Not only does it provide seating, but as we wrap around, we've got the wine cooler with a nice space for beverage making. And here we got the prep sink. So just imagine, you can quickly come in, make yourself a drink, head back in and finish watching the big game without interrupting everybody in the kitchen. And as we come around the island, I think it's really important to point out just how well laid out this kitchen is. When you work with Golden Eagle Log and Timber Homes, you get our kitchen designers at your service, and they did a phenomenal job here. We've got the dishwasher designed just past the edge of the island so that when it's fully open, you still have plenty of walk space and doesn't create that pinch point. We've got convenient appliance locations with the double oven on one wall and your microwave drawer just right across from it, all conveniently located right next to the fridge. So when you're pulling food out, you can prep it right here and heat it up. And just off the kitchen, we've got a pantry to take a look at. In this pantry, customers opted not to go with cabinetry. Instead, they did open shelves. That's really great for larger appliances. If you want to be able to come in and still see what's in here, easily grab it. Up above the countertop, we've got solid wood shelves. Those tie in very nicely with all the beam work, trim work that you see throughout the home. Not only is this pantry conveniently located off the kitchen, but also just steps away from the garage. Imagine you're coming home, you got your arms full of groceries, you don't want to have to walk too far. Here you can just walk right in the pantry and put everything away.